Well, good afternoon. I wanted to do an unboxing video. Came slightly earlier than I was expecting. Is a new scooter. So I'm going to open it up and check it out. Try not to cut myself in the process with a sharp knife. As usual, loads of polystyrene. Lots of packaging. I've thrown in some protective knee pads, elbow pads. Storage case. Oh, it smells strong of plastic. Power lead, little badge for the front. The Mickey Mouse toolkit. Never sure what to make of those. Quality's not brilliant. User manual. And the charger block. Figure out how to get this all out. And we got a bit of polystyrene. Oh, there's bits of loads of polystyrene down in the box. There we go. Actually, it's not too bad to lift. A bit heavier than the other scooter. I was a bit concerned that it was going to be a bit heavy, but it's not too bad. And the scooter itself, with loads of polystyrene to get the vacuum cleaner out. I need to get rid of all the bits and sort out the handlebars. But it looks good. So what I'm going to do is I think get it up on a stool so I can actually have a closer look at it. So manual, charger, toolkit and the little Kaabo sticker, storage box and the protection pads. Just cut the plastic off and I think I'm going to drop the scooter down a little bit onto something slightly shorter so I can fix the handlebars on. I'm just going to fit the handlebars, I think probably that size, 5mm. I'll probably go and get some thread lock as well, just to put on there, just to stop any vibrations moving that. So I'll get that before I put the handlebars on. Well, I've just put a few drops of thread lock on the threads. One of the nice things I like about this scooter. One, it's should be much more powerful than my last one, and it has hydraulic brakes. It's got the Minimotors controller and display, which should be much more readable than the colour display that got washed out in sunlight. You've got eco mode, single and dual motor mode. So I'll need to sort out all the position of everything. That'll need to be done when I've got it all down in situ. Of course, the one thing that's going to take a while is its first charge, which I think is supposed to be about 9 hours. So I'm not going to be able to ride it today, unfortunately, even though the weather's gorgeous. But there we go, one of those things. I don't really want to be the first ride at night. I want to be able to see what's going on. Well, I've switched the scooter on. It all appears okay. I've got to wait for it to charge, which could be up to 12 hours for the first charge. I did make the wheels spin. I do need to balance the wheels. I bought some lead weights. There's a little bit of vibration, not a huge amount, but there's a little bit of vibration with the wheels spinning. So I'll do the back one, then I can do the front one, and just get rid of the vibration that's there. These are sticky ones, and the idea is that they go opposite the valve stem. So I've got a range of weights, 5 grams, loads of them. I think the scooter is more or less set up. I've checked the brakes on well, up in the air, and they seem solid enough. I'll obviously check them before I take it out for a ride. But very happy so far. It's all looks good. Looks nice. I chose the black just to be a little bit non-flash. I thought the red one was a bit much, and wasn't sure about the silver one, but I think the all black will be quite nice. So there we go, and the display is nice and clear. So yes, I'm going to leave this to charge and come back later. So there's much else I can do until that's actually finished doing that. So I'll probably see you next time when I go for a ride on it.